Link building. This is a very big aspect when it comes to search engine optimization. Why? Because the internet thrives on links. The links are what tells the user this is where to go. They're like the navigators on the internet. They tell users this is where to go, this is where to go. You create a website, it has a link. You create a video, it has a link. You create an image, you put it on a web page, there's a link to the image. So it's practically what points to everything on the internet. With link building, the concept is simple. You need to actively look for communities online. It could be a forum, it could be a blog, another blog, it could be a group. You need to keep looking for this community and engage with them such that you present your link as a valuable asset to them. For instance, let me give you something that is relative. I'm a digital brand marketer, so part of my link building strategy is to go on Reddit, Facebook groups that talks about digital marketing, LinkedIn groups where we have digital marketers, and when I publish something that I know it's of value for every digital marketer. For instance, initially when I want to prepare a report, a digital marketing report, I have to go through all the stress of having to go create the diagram myself, present it in a visual and graphical format. But with Analytics Studio, you can do this with just a few clicks. I created a post on this, how Analytics Studio works and how it's helping me, because when it came out, I went for the tutorial, got a certificate from Google, and I think, okay, I should tell other digital marketers about it. So what I did is I wrote about it, then go to those communities where I belong, Facebook groups, Reddit, Quora.com, look for conversations about digital marketing and analytics. Then I present to them, okay, there's this new tool that I found out, this is how I've been using it, this is how it's helping me. Then drop the link there. That is a practical application of link building. I am building a link, I am spreading the link of my content. I'm trying to propagate the web with that link such that a lot of niche in my market are redirected to that link, and that automatically positions me as an authority when it comes to that subject. Because when they are talking about analytics, they're talking about digital marketing, another digital marketing group on Quora, digital marketing on Quora, digital marketing, and I have links on all these platforms that points to my web page, to my content. The search engine sees my content as an authority and therefore presents me on the search engine result page. Link building is a very interesting and effective SEO strategy. Ensure that you are sharing links that is relevant in every community. Make sure it is relevant to the discussion. Make sure it is relevant to the niche. That way your link is valued. That way more people are going to get to click your link. That way search engine get notified about what is going on in that community and how relevant your link is to that community. And this improves your search engine ranking.